news. Today we pause in our midday meditation to bring you breaking news. It is said that a conversation erupted in a small community in Jamaica where one person woke up very worried about their December holiday. Feeling down, worried, and bewildered, they complained that their season has been so dull and dark, not knowing what to hope for or if there's any hope at all, that their season of Christmas will not be the same as years before. But one community member, however, was very adamant in sharing the good news about a new channel that erupted on YouTube. The channel is known as Daughters of the Jamaican Soil. They have decided to start a YouTube channel where persons from overseas can get the opportunity to share their greetings and love with Jamaicans backyard. Yes, and so the opportunity for Jamaicans overseas and has erupted where they can now share their greetings, a song, say it in 2 minutes, or just simply greetings to Jamaican at large. I am so happy to bring this news to you because I too will share in the greetings as I am now living in Jamaica and would love to have live road beads of persons who are receiving the greetings. So this news is for those who live overseas. I would love for you to listen to this conversation very, very intensely as the desires were shared with members of this small community as to how their Christmas will go. No doubt you Jamaicans out there and in the diaspora is able to make their Christmas a bright one by spending time to remember Jamaicans who are in their backyard in situations that otherwise are unpleasant. So as soon as we get more information from this YouTube channel, we'll be sure to share it with you. But what we have learned also from this YouTube is that they do have an email address where you can send your greetings to Daughters of the Soil to you at gmail.com. They also have a text messaging system where you can text your message to 250-464-4118. If you have poems that you'd like to be embossed or embodied, they will take those poems right there on text messaging. But for now, we're very happy to bring you this Zoom Windows news of hope for our little country, Jamaica land we love. At the moment, listen to the conversation intensely as you, I'm sure, can play your part to make Jamaica what it ought to be, and that is a place where happiness reigns. And the song says, this is the land of my birth, this is the land of my birth, this is Jamaica, my Jamaica. This is the land of my birth. Yes, you too can share your greetings across the diaspora as you get involved to share on this new YouTube channel that was launched recently as they bear you, Jamaicans in the diaspora and those in Jamaica at large. And we would like to add this special note from Zoom Windows Meeting that if you are presently living in Jamaica, please feel free to share the YouTube channel with your friends so that they can remember you this season. Until we meet again, this is your host, Dynamite, from the Zoom Meeting Broadcasting Network. Have a good day.
I just wake up. I don't know if I do today, I tell you. Things just set away. The place just sad, the news just depressing. No little hope. Can't believe that things just stand so down here. Hello? What? Did you? What you tell me say? Daughters of the Jamaican Soil YouTube channel? What? I have to go check this out, man. Them a promote greetings for send down back to Jamaica to Jamaican people. Man, this is a good idea, Star. Boy, the best news me ever hear in a long while. Who could have come up with this idea? And most someone we desire that longing from long time. And them a pray for Jamaica. Them a pray for we homeland every day. And we can coin a poem. What? And create a word song. No man, a joke can't make. This what? And whatever we want, so we can say it in 2 minutes. Man, this is the thing, man. Can't believe that something like this exists. No, star, all of my friends them where they are find me, I go share this with. Because you can imagine, man, my friends are sending down greetings to me this Christmas in this pandemic, hardship, hard life. Man, these are the best news. Whoever come up with this idea are the best news. Listen, if you're a Jamaican out there and you're not grab on pan and you're not jump on anybody, we have people who are Jamaica and not capitalize on this, man, that bad for you, man. No, that is a X by your side, man. Trust me. And the two people that you said with name, oh, them have a YouTube channel pouring me and a rise and journey with me YouTube channel ministry combined to make Jamaica feel so good. Man, respect to the brethren them star. And guess what? I'm pleading with you Jamaicans out there. If you're a Jamaican at heart, sign up, subscribe to this channel star, share the channel, and make somebody down at Highland feel good this Christmas season. Zine, lie me I tell you, it's gonna be special because you time out to send greetings back a yard. A good things is jump on a train star.